there, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you from wherever you're watching from. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Extensible. If someone messaged me on WhatsApp saying I should please do a video on how to use OBS for beginners, is not so obvious, and I should teach them how to use OBS. I've done a video on how to use VMix for beginners, so I think I've not done a video on how to use OBS for beginners. So this video is on how to use OBS for beginners. Do you want to learn how to use OBS? I promise see the interface was working, a bit confusing and the rest. I'm going to teach you how to do it from my screen here. You can see these settings, we have everything, we have sales, we have Adobe Mixer, we have this, everything I'm going to teach you how to use it is also, and you are going to be a professional after watching this video. Alright, so stay tuned and don't forget, my name is Joseph Elasokomi and this is Extensible. Okay, so people have been telling me I'll kind of fast in my videos, like, speaking too fast and the rest. So I'm going to make sure I slow down on this time around. All right. So this is my OBS. This is the layers we have and the rest. We'll start with sources. Okay, so you also add any source. Just click on this plus button over here, plus, and you can add sources like camera, where upload the files, image. You have to bring an image rather, a video, whatever you want to add. So let me start with video capture device. I want to add a video capture device. You can name it, you can name it anything you want. Well, let me use it as video capture device, and make sure to click this make source visible and press OK. And then we're going to add, let me clear it a little bit. Is this, if you have any camera, we're going to sit over when you press this arrow, you see any camera we have. Well, I don't have any camera connected right now, and my URL is also not connected. So let me just use the camera from the system. The camera from the system is this HP HD camera. It's one that group, but bear with me. Okay, so this is the camera for the system, and you're going to press, just leave it as a device. Depends on the resolution type. We're not going to do resolution type. You can change the resolution custom, and then you change it to any resolution you want. The resolution is going to show. For now, it's not showing because I've not picked a resolution. So browse my camera from my system can take a 720. So let me just say 720p. All right. So this is it. This one is kind of larger, while the other one I want to put device view is like a square shape. That is meaning it's not full screen. So let me use a full screen like this. You can change your FPS also if you're running to use FPS of 25 or stuff like that. And any settings if you know more about all those settings like MPEG or H.264 and the rest like that. So just press OK and you ask your camera like this. You can make it smaller, you can make it larger, and how you want it. Alright, so once I will set this right now, let me go straight. We're going to add another search, which is the display capture. Let's add a display capture device. Okay, then let's make it as display capture and not rename it anything for now. Then you can add these as the automatic is going to capture automatically. This automatic is like anything that is on the screen is just going to capture it. So, and if you want to show a cursor like this in this video, you want your cursor to be showing, you can write capture cursor. You need to capture it on show. So if you want to do tutorial videos, you can make it a capture so you can see your cursor and do it like that. Okay, let's press OK, and I've seen this video right here. So that it's kind of too big or too large, so you can make it smaller. And yes, so it won't be like too large like this, but just fit the screen. This would but I will show you how the screen is. Okay, so use my video capture and leave this on this way. I'm gonna see me, and if it's visible, yes, so I'm like blend the video right now. Okay, so let me just something like I did that if I bring this up the right way, it's gonna I'm on top while this is at the back. So I can make it something like a picture-in-picture where I can just easily bring a picture-in-picture like this, making my tutorial videos. I can be talking about something here where you send me over where if that guy will send me here right now. Because that is actually a editing of the afternoons with it. Alright, so I can do it, and we want to also actually LG device like this. This is the desktop video. This is the audio from the mic, so it's moving as I'm speaking. But I don't have any of those audio, so we can either add edit as input I just delete the properties over here. We let me just remove those. Let me add this, or but let me just add a new audio device. Okay, so add audio inputs and whatever outputs. I can see like run. That's for the first mic. Then make such disable is always ticked up. Then press OK. Then which mic do you want to add? So it's if you have any other mic, you can sit here. But the mic I'm right now is a Panasonic microphone. I'm going to show it on the screen. You can order it from Jumia or Amazon or whatever you want to order it from. You can also go to market and get it for yourself. Alright. So this microphone anyway with me, just sit here my microphone. And once I press OK, they're gonna see it. Yeah, this makes my mic run over here. So that as I'm speaking, it's making it look like it's too much. So let me just reduce the audio volume a little bit. Yeah, it's better this way. Okay. We can't do it here right now because this in the settings and stuff like that because I'm using this microphone and I don't want this one clashing with it. So I'm going to show you more of the audio stuff where we're going to scenes and the rest. And this transition also I'm going to show you more on those once we go into studio mode and the rest. And that's what for now. We can just start streaming this way. You can just start streaming or start recording. But let's start settings first and let me show you just about settings. Okay, so once you enter the settings, let's load it a bit. Okay, so this is general settings. These general settings I usually don't really make any changes over where I really work with it the way it is. The only thing I will make changes of is, this output here. So I make sure to show conversion dialog and stop. Like, so it will happen by accident where maybe you just click stop recording by accident and you just stop recording. Maybe when you click stop streaming by accident and you just stop streaming, that kind of stuff. So you show confirmation as well as ask you, are you sure you want to stop recording or are you sure you want to start streaming, that kind of thing. I use OBS for recording and my videos for streaming. So I will make it stop recording. Like I said also, I can make it dialog to show you automatic to show confirmation where you want to start streaming also. So anyhow you want to do it. Okay, so in your stream settings there, this is where you have to stream to any of your available social medias over here. This is you can stream to Twitch, you can stream to Facebook, you can stream to YouTube. And once you outside of Facebook, I rather see the developed stream key. It's irrelevant the server, so you don't need the stream URL. You can always put a straight here, go to Facebook, and the entire live videos. They are going to give you a stream key which you want to use. Then you can copy the stream key and paste it over here. And if you go to any social media like Twitch is over here. When you go to like Twitch, you can connect your accounts, you can log in, or you can use stream key anyone you want. You can log in your account with very easily. The stream key is also easy and something like that. Then you can stream to wherever you want and press apply. On your output, let's go to the output settings. So this output is kind of important because it has to do with the streaming and has to do with your recording. It's very important. Okay, so in your output for you have to make sure it's simple because advanced is a less more advanced. So simple is making it more simple rather than making it simple for you. Alright, so in your video bitrate, if you want to structure like 720 clarity, you can use 2500 kbps, which is kbps, which is the default for it, and I advise you to use this for 720. We're going to use something like 1080 clarity or total clarity. We're going to grind right into like 6000 kbps and the rest. But audio bitrate 160, yes, it's pretty much good. Where video encoder, I only have this video encoder and this one is kind of the best. Okay, so encoder episodes, make sure it's very fast and very, very fast. So it should not go bad. The audio encoder, I only have one audio encoder. I have lots of audio encoder. Okay, so in your recording output really, you are recording anything you really wanted to save as a camera, browse on as okay to save it as anything also. Since I record, I save it on my video. Just directed it. And your recording clarity, you can there's anything you want. Well, we really use this medium file size because let's say it's very large. So it's tremendously large fast. It's very large. Like a 5-minute video can be in like 10 gig or so, like very large. So just make sure it's a medium, like the basic average way. Okay, so doing recording format and we record in MP. I record in MP because I hit to edit MKV, and that's really because MKV does not work for error editing, like, and after editing MKV, like, for example, doesn't, at times my Adobe Premiere Pro doesn't accept MKV video files, so it's best to use MKV. MKV is accepted by all and it's very common, right? So video encoder, you have any video encoder you can use, but I think this one is pretty much good. My hardware is, and for this one I'm using a software H264, so this I'm using the hardware H264. Then my video encoder already have one, so it's better at this not to the opens. Right, so that one is for this. Let me just leave it with it, and now let's go to your audio. What is first to you can't really change anything here. It's kind of good using it as a stereo, and the rest is simple, yes. And the global audio device, the desktop audio, I can use it as default, okay, yeah. And this one was disabled for the desktop audio too. I don't want the desktop audio too. Then when mic was like, I was gonna put it in this microphone, this Panasonic microphone, which is this other and the rest like that, and I bought it sort of the that where I didn't really any of that. So this is just another I did. But in your videos, this is if you want to a video, which quality your video should be on. So my video is on 720 and the output is on 720, so the dance scale is like it's matching both of them. But I can actually have my videos on my OBS in 1080p, and I run this output on a 720. So I'm having a video on my OBS in 1080 quality, but one of my output, like where it's going to my recording, by streaming, is going to 720. So it's kind of either downscale, reducing the quality so you can go into your post. I set it to reduce the quality. But at the same time, I doesn't make it match because my system is very strong to stream 1080p, and I cannot really do 1080 recording output. So just making it 720, I make this 720, and it's gonna match, no downscaling required. So the hotkeys, if you want any short clips, and we're going to start streaming, I'll just press E. So whenever I have to start streaming, I'll just press E on the system, and you're gonna start streaming like that. Anything you want for your hotkeys. So let me just delete this for it. Okay, so then surface for anything. I usually use hotkeys for like transitioning, probably how to use feed. That's when Vmix do not in OBS. In Vmix, I set my hotkeys in 1, 2, and 3. The 1 is for clipped transition, the 2 is for feed transition, and the 3 is for merge transition, because I use this 3 mostly when I'm streaming in my church. If I want to clip from one camera to the other in case something just went wrong instantly, instead of taking my cursor down to the clip button, just press 1 directly and it's clipped. Second one is feed. You want to feed something, just different levels on 1, 2, 3. So I just want to go around, press 1, I want to go 2, press 2, I want to go 3, press 3 to merge, and you can use any shortcut you want and the rest like that. So your accessibility, well, you can change the colors, but I'm not really sure it's necessary to change colors. Then in your advanced over here, I don't really touch anything in advanced since they're just making it that way. And one thing that I just love on this advanced over that I noticed is this automatically reconnect. Once you are streaming and we're networking or we glitch or something like that, it should automatically reconnect, which is always enabled. So apart from that, not really use matters. Let me see if I forgot anything to add to it. Okay, so in this video, so your frame rate is a frame rate. You can use any frame rate you want. I usually use 25 frame rates, yes, which is good for 720 streaming. Okay, yes, let me do that. And aside of that, let me see. Aside that, nothing else. So let me just press apply and press OK. So once that is done, let's go straight into the studio mode, and there's more advanced things I'll get into later. Right. So well, studio mode here, I click it, and then I see something like this. It might look a little bit, where I'm going to be explaining a little. So this is your preview scene. This is what only we are seeing. Like if you want to do some things, right? This is your program scene. What people, if you are streaming now, this is only where people will see what is right. Yeah, so I can do something like if you want to add in a new source, let me add something like image. I can press OK, and then just bring in my logo, something like this over here now. Okay, but I'm doing something like my logo where I can just make myself full screen. This is my video capture. I'm going to full screen. Alright, so I can have my logo where I'm going to delete this display capture and just make it invisible. Yeah. So let me do it. I think it's easier to do this. Delete this row. Yes. Okay. So I can add this my video right now. Let me transition it where I can add this by image as my logo somewhere down here. This is your preview. So what I did was actually up here. So when I want to transition it, I can just set it so we don't notice it just come down directly. You can add other things like let me put a new scene. You can limit anything around if you want to present something. I put like presentation on the rest. But let me just make it simple like that. Then I can add a video, for example. If I want to stream and let me show what I mean. This is a media source. Let me add a media source. Okay, so I am going to bring in a video. I will have videos here, but I have like other videos like this. This is something else. Alright. So when I have me ideas, I can just bring this something like here and that second. And I will have two. Do you see that's just so designers and then get what I'm saying? Like that is this is video sharing we bring it over here. It's easy to just cut fade it from center to same around and get you can just easily cut it and fade it. And this is what I'm showing you. I can fade it like this, it's gonna fade. I can cut it, it's just gonna clip directly. Transition it is also like fading. I can add other transitions over here, you can add new transitions like spiral. Okay, we can swipe to the left. This is the left, so just swipe to the left and I can add it. Once I will change this now to the swipe way, the right way is swipe is to take it away. You can make it more to take it long swipe, so I can make it like 700 800 ms. So we want to swipe, it should take a longer time to get. I can make it longer, so to make it longer to swipe like this. So swiping is gonna get so it's gonna be a little fast and the rest like that. You can just make it little by little by little by little by little. You can add another thing over where can make this is the intro. So like you can name it, you know where it is first or the second where it is stored. You get can make it as intro. You can name it 1, 2, 3. If you want to rename it, you can click on it and first rename where I first name this 1 and I name it use 2. And name those 3. Or any other also name this. So this channel can be for my intro video, like YouTube video on my YouTube channel whenever I want to start the live streaming. It's a bad another I would say. If I would where I've made this the intro of the let's say for example okay, let's say example this is the intro video. Just pretend this. I recorded sometime a while ago. Okay, so let's say this is the intro video. Let me just cut it for you to see. Something like this. Nothing is showing. So if this is the intro video, for example, this is the intro video, I want to make something like this where next video can swipe it, then talking to this person, then after that I am ready here, so I can just maybe I have to implement already I say like a YouTube channel stuff. I just be like, hey, did you just see what they did back there? Okay, I think it's what is it? The most of the other regular internet, comment on it and the rest like that. Right, so that's the way that, and we can start recording actually right now. If you want to start with this, swiping in, can start recording. When you save it as recording everywhere in the settings, you start recording. Look at it over here. 4, 5, 6. This is your CPU. This is the frame rate and the rest. So once I'm recording, and you start, and okay, let me bring this here and talk about it, and you stop recording. Stop recording. This is what we actually, as I said, do you want to confirm what's on the way to record? If you have not performed it yet, it's still. It's still counting. So once you stop recording, it's gonna stop recording. And if we go to our preview over then we received it as this is it over here and this is where we recorded. But it's finally you're gonna see and this so this is the video I was doing for us. Then later on I swipe it over to the left. I think this is my left. Yes, I think over to the left. Alright, so I'm gonna see it here after. Yes, this is the swiping and this is me with this stuff. So when you start streaming also, you can just put in your start streaming, make sure you are connected to your internet, which is this here. I'm connected to my internet. Go to Facebook. Okay, I want to use Facebook because this is my church Facebook. So nope, I'm gonna go to my YouTube and that's Facebook. I'm gonna be streaming to my YouTube channel. So we are going to my YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel, and then we'll go straight to create. Then you can go to go live. Right. So once you go live for YouTube channel, you're going to see something like this chunky, this chubby, and everything like that. So that is what we're using over in the settings. Once you go to the settings of where OBS in your stream, then inside will reach IoTMP. Then you can connect it wherever you want to regular my YouTube channel inside a root chunky. Okay, so this chunky here is what I was over. Yes. Let's look at they know the videos are made for kids. I'm going to set it this way. Then so if you are using this now, make sure you put it in public, your description in public, the way we're not in unlisted, and you can put in your video title, your description, everything you want to use, your panel level, and upload your panel so you can see, excuse me, and which playlist you want it to be in. So just about OBS, and put down the evidence was done for kids and the rest of that. Then I can press save. I will stream key. This was stream key. We will stream URL and will stream key. So this is stream key. You copy, then you go to your OBS and you can just press in the stream key Control V. As you can show it. Alright. Then once you press OK, you initialize and other. So this is where this is the YouTube control panel. So while you're live streaming, then you can press start streaming and that's connecting. Then once it's connecting over, then go to this. I have to see that it's started already. Just give it some sign up. Which is the stream started. Then you can just press end stream. Then end it because I have people that are gonna watch me and I don't want them to watch me. So when we delete this dismiss. Okay, Ableton Studio, and I'm going to delete it later on. Alright, so we're not really on this. We can just log in your so I can also never show me this panel again because I just log in straight using my Chrome. Stop streaming, then it's going to stop streaming and the rest like that. And even if you are not on studio mode, it's still the same screen is going to stream. We are on studio mode, it's going to stream the same. Maybe I just like this here, okay? You can stream this if you want to stream this, or you can stream this if you want to stream this. So anything you want to stream, this is for the scenes. If you want to add different things in this scene, and in this scene. If you want to add everything over here, and I think I've touched basically everything over here. Alright, so that is all for how to use OBS for beginners. Alright, so in this video I've been very useful to you. Please don't hesitate to like this video so the YouTube channel can service it to everyone searching for how to use OBS for beginners. Alright, I'm pretty sure I made this video so I won't be too fast and I won't be too slow. But forgive me if I'm too fast or I'm too slow. Okay, so if you have any comments, if you have any questions, you can comment it down or you can message me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp, it will be, the link of the WhatsApp will be in the description of this video, and I will answer you as best as I can. I will help you as best as I can. Alright, so thank you very much for watching. I'm going to put on the link of the MBRI for OBS, the NDI, how to download it, and how to also use NDI stuff with other systems. I want to put the link in this video, so if you want to watch that, you can watch that. I'll end also. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget my name, Joseph Orasakomi, and this is Extensive Earth.